Oi, Miotti. I see you been calling. Treasure been waiting. And I don't even remember where the treasure is.
Captain, Captain, the map's upside down, and we're sailing towards the rock.
Nonsense. It clearly said turn left at the Kraken. This island smells like mystery. I'm supposed to be raw sardines.
Captain, I think it's your boot. Captain, we're going to be rich.
By the beard of Blackbeard, it's a curse. Tick, Where's my treasure? Squire, this is the mystery land. This is where my treasure been. Squire, bring the map. Let's find the treasure. Where are the landlubbers?
This status just blinked at me.